Hey, hello! Welcome back to CottageKate. In this week's video, we'll be crocheting this easy cardigan for 10 cm dolls. This is version 2 of my easy cardigan pattern for 10 cm dolls. Click up here for the free updated cardigan pattern. For this version, I used number 3 acrylic yarn. I found this color match for the actual low AV cardigan in lavender. So I made this pattern specifically for this slightly thinner yarn. For the hooks, I used a 4.5mm hook for the foundation row and a 3.5mm hook with the rest of the pattern. Foundation row, let's start with a slip knot, then 28 chain stitches. In case your doll is a bit smaller or chunkier, you can check to see if this fits around the waist of the doll, then add or subtract 2 stitches at a time when adjusting. Now with the foundation row done, I'm going to switch over to my 3.5mm hook. For row 1, turn the foundation row over and crochet into these back bumps only. This will make a neater looking hemline. Row 1, we're going to skip this first bump and start crocheting from the second bump. Make half double crochet stitches all the way through this row, back loops or bumps only. And that completes the first row. For row 2, turn to the other side. Then chain 1. Now make 4 half double crochet stitches. Now, to make space for the sleeves, chain 6. Then skip 3 stitches and half double crochet into the next stitch. Next, half double crochet 10 more times for a total of 11 stitches. If you added or subtracted any stitches from the foundation row, you can adjust this set of 11 half double crochet stitches. Add or subtract the same amount of stitches here. Again, for the other sleeve, chain 6. Then skip 3 stitches and half double crochet into the next stitch. Half double crochet 4 more times for a total of 5 stitches. And that completes row 2. Now turn the work over again for the last row. Row 3, chain 1, then single crochet 2 times. Then make 2 half double crochet stitches. Now for the sleeves itself, we're going to crochet into the top loops of these chain stitches below. Make a 2 double crochet decrease. Yarn over, pull yarn from 1 stitch, then pull yarn through 2 loops on your hook. Again yarn over, pull yarn from the next stitch. Then pull yarn through 2 loops on your hook. Finally pull yarn through all 3 loops on your hook to decrease. Repeat that 2 more times. Again, make another 2 double crochet decrease. Third and last 2, double crochet decrease to complete the first sleeve. Now for the back panel, we're going to make 11 half double crochet stitches, or as many stitches as you have for the row below. For the second sleeve, we're going to repeat the same pattern we used for the first one. Into the top loops of these 6 chain stitches below, make a 2 double crochet decrease and repeat that 3 times. Next, make 2 half double crochet stitches. Then follow that with 3 single crochet stitches to complete row 3. Now with row 3 completed, you can see the full shape of the cardigan, including the slight curve of the sleeves as a result of the decreases we made. To finish this side, make 4 to 5 slip stitches along this edge. When you reach the corner, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Weave in any loose yarn. And that completes our easy crochet cardigan version 2. Try this pattern out with any color yarn and let me know how it turns out for you. Check out my channel for more 10cm doll clothes and accessories, or even tutorials on how to crochet your own 10cm doll just like the fully crocheted tyongya in the back, plus other doll-based tutorials and more, all in my channel or linked in the description below. In case you have any other requests, let me know in the comments as well. Thanks again for watching. Like this video if you learned something new, or maybe subscribe if you want to see more. See you on the next one.